Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is gamma distribution. In the gamma distribution we are going to learn a special case of gamma distribution. So let us start with what is the special case of gamma distribution. Here we shall see the statement: when theta equal to 1 and n equal to 1, then the gamma distribution becomes an exponential distribution with parameter 1. Means, since we know that gamma distribution has two parameters, theta and n, if you change these two values to only one value, that is 1, then the corresponding distribution changes to exponential with parameter 1. So therefore we start with the proof. In the proof we shall prove it. By definition, if x follows gamma with parameters theta and n, then the PDF of gamma distribution is theta raised to n divided by gamma n e raised to minus theta x raised to n minus 1 for x greater than or equal to 0, theta and n positive. If we change the value of theta and n equal to 1, then we get put 1 at the value of theta as well as n. So it is 1 raised to 1 gamma 1 e raised to minus 1 into x raised to 1 minus 1, which is equal to fx equal to 1 by gamma 1 e raised to minus x and x raised to 0, x greater than or equal to 0. We know that gamma 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 factorial. So it is 0 factorial, and 0 factorial is 1. Therefore fx equal to 1 by 1 e raised to minus x, and x raised to 0 is also 1. So it is e raised to minus x greater than or equal to 0. This is the PDF of gamma for theta equal to 1 and n equal to 1. This is equation number 1. Now, if x follow exponential with parameter 1, then its PDF becomes fx equal to e raised to minus x greater than or equal to 0. Means the value of theta becomes 1. This is equation 2. We already learned the exponential distribution in details. If student want to learn what is exponential distribution, then please click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that lecture is also given in the description box. After comparing equation number 2 and equation number 1, we get x must follow exponential distribution with parameter 1. Since equation 1 fx equal to e raised to minus x greater than or equal to 1 is exactly same as equation number 2 fx e raised to minus x greater than or equal to 1. Hence, x is exponential with parameter 1 when theta equal to 1 and n equal to 1 in gamma theta n. Then and then only x follow exponential with parameter 1. This is the special case of gamma distribution. In this way, in this lecture, we learn what will happen on gamma distribution when both the parameters are kept 1. In the previous lectures, we have already learned many more concepts from the gamma distribution and many more topics in statistics. If a student want to learn that topics, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of all the playlists are given in the description box. Students are requested to subscribe Learn Statistics channel in order to learn more upcoming lectures in the upcoming days. If student like this lecture, then click on the like button, share with your friends in order to learn them statistics in simple and more easy way. We will meet in the next lecture with the next topic. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.